We'll guide you through how to get and install Gmail on a Mac. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Doing this is really convenient because then you can easily get your Gmail inbox and you can start checking that and also sending emails as well. So we'll guide you through how it can be done step by step. To go and get started, you can just go and open up Safari like so. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go and search for Gmail. So I'll just go and type it in like so, and we can come to it, or you may already have it open, it doesn't matter. So here we are in our inbox. Now what we need to do is go to the top left and you need to go and click on File, then come down and you'll see the option Add to Doc. So you can click there, we can then choose what it's called, we'll keep it as Gmail, then press Add. What we're doing here is essentially we're adding Gmail as a web app and installing it. As you can see, we've now added it to the dock. I can then go and close out of Safari. Now we can go and open it up and here we are on Gmail. We can start using it. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more.